what's going on YouTube? Aubrey in here talking about delivery apps, more specifically the Roadie app. Like, subscribe, follow me. I'm going to keep doing these videos, let you know about Roadie and some other delivery apps and how much money that you can make on these apps. You know, what are the best stores that pay the most and how to calculate, how to figure things out. I'm learning a lot. So like, subscribe, tap in with me. So what I'm finding out is Tractor Supply and Home Depot by far are the best, highest paying gigs on Roadie. We did 5 deliveries today. Did a Tractor Supply this morning for $29.53. Another Tractor Supply for $11. Actually, it was the same person, same address. Did a CVS on the way to this one for $8. Another Tractor Supply for a little over $12, and then a nice Home Depot for $18.21. So that grossed us about $79, about $80. So you can see Tractor Supply and Home Depot are killing it. And yesterday we had a nice Home Depot for $28. This is my first day doing it, so I was trying these CVS's and Rite Aids. The pharmacies don't pay good at all, but they're pretty easy. They're always close. And then Tire Discount, I'd rather go take 2 tires to a place. So we had about $62 yesterday. Roadie, doing my math, I probably made about $13 an hour today, which sucks. As many miles as I put on my van today, like 280 something miles. I worked 6 hours, or drove 6 hours. So if y'all don't know, I do auto detailing. I could have just spent 3 to 4 hours on a car using no gas and made $190 detailing a car, sometimes 2 something. So, and I can make $80-90 an hour. So that by far to me would be a better deal than running around chasing these gigs. But I wanted to try it out, see how it goes. I got a nice gig for $58 for Tractor Supply, but I can't fit it in my van because I got this toolbox back there. So I might pull out my toolbox and see if I can get some bigger items, some bigger gigs from Tractor Supply, maybe tomorrow. Because if I can get a couple for $50, you know, that adds up pretty quick. So, you know, if I can get 4 loads, like $50-60, that's, you know, that's over $200. Now we're talking. So I'm gonna try it out. Roadie's pretty cool. If you got any questions about the platform, hit the comment, like, subscribe. If you know any other, you know, let me know what apps y'all are using for delivery. Is there any good ones? I'm in Ohio, Dayton, Ohio. So if you're in the Midwest, you know, what apps are you using to do your deliveries? So yeah, y'all, tap in. I'm gonna keep putting more content out there. Just trying to help the community, let y'all know what's going on and how we get this money. All right, y'all, peace. Yo, what's up, guys? Aubrey in here, checking out these Roadie apps, checking out these delivery apps. Just giving y'all a little breakdown of what we got going on today. Check it out.